Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to resolve issues when Google Drive gets stuck during the file zipping process. If you have dealt with long delays or complete freezes while trying to compress your data, you are not alone, and we have the solutions. I will walk you through several simple methods to fix this so you can manage your files efficiently again. Begin by opening Google Drive. Once you are logged in, examine your search results by clicking the search bar at the top and entering the word zip. This will filter your items, helping you identify which files are currently being processed or are ready for compression. Ensuring you are targeting the right files is a vital first step for a successful outcome. Next, it is important to evaluate your internet connection. Compressing large files on a weak connection often makes Google Drive appear frozen. Before proceeding, run a quick online speed test to check your current bandwidth. Pay close attention to your upload speed to see if it can handle large data transfers. If the results are poor, try troubleshooting your router or connecting to a faster network. Another potential fix involves clearing your browser's cache. A full cache can sometimes block downloading or zipping tasks. Navigate to your browser's settings or preferences menu to clear this data. Then restart the application and attempt the process once more. You might also try dividing your files into smaller batches. Google Drive frequently has trouble zipping massive amounts of data at once, so processing smaller chunks can lead to better results. Instead of selecting an entire folder, pick a few files at a time. This approach facilitates smoother zipping and minimizes the chance of download errors. Finally, if the problem persists, consider using external zipping software. There are many reliable desktop tools that can compress files without relying on Google Drive's built-in features. By downloading the individual files first and then using a local app, you can avoid these web-based glitches entirely. These strategies address the most frequent zipping hurdles. By following these tips, you should be able to fix the problem and take back control of your file management. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your downloads.